Simplify, write all answers using radical notation, assume all variables represent positive numbers. The square root of y divided by the 10th root of y. We'll begin by rewriting these expressions with fractional exponents. So the square root of y is y to the 1/2. The 10th root of y is y raised to the 1/10 power. When we are dividing two exponential expressions with the same base, we subtract the powers. So this would be equal to y to the 1/2 minus 1/10. So this would be equal to y to the 5/10 minus 1/10, and that's equal to y to the 4/10. Then we can rewrite 4/10 as 2/5, so this is y to the 2/5. And now we can rewrite that in radical notation as the 5th root of y squared.